DJ Delz.
What's good, Funko Pop addicts? We've got, I'm pretty sure it's the first look on YouTube. I may be wrong. If I'm wrong, I apologize. But we got the Comic-Con exclusive of Gearhead right here. The 2018 Fall Convention exclusive. Let me know if you know about them Gear Wars. I love Rick and Morty. Great show. And let's take Gearhead out of the box. Thumbs up the video for that out of the box look. I know not everyone likes taking them Funkos out of the box. We do that here, so make sure to subscribe so you catch all the vids. Yesterday, we did an out of the box review of this exclusive Venom. So if you want to see that review, including all the other items, I will post that somewhere, a pop-up somewhere on the screen, or just go to the newest videos. Let me fix DMC, put DMC right there, and let's take Gearhead out of the box. Alright, so here is Gearhead out of the box. I love how on his box right there, it's translucent in this kind of like purple pinkish color, and you can see the gears through the box. And then you have his face right there with his gears on his mouth. And we'll take a look at his side right there. Check it out. There's a look at his back. And once again, I love how you can see right through there. I think that's awesome. It's an awesome pop. And there's a look at his other side. Kind of gives me the vibe of my guy right here a little bit. You know, with the headset on the side. A little bit. I may be reaching a little bit. Let me know what you think of this pop. Is this something you're trying to pick up, or is it a pass? Leave down in the comment box below. I'm also looking for this Audrey 2 Chase. If you can help me out with that, hit me up on my Instagram over at Delz, D-E-L-Z Toy Show. D-E-L-Z Delz Toy Show. That will be linked in the description box below. Follow my social media. Whenever I hear about Funko releasing, especially the limited ones, I always post it on my Twitter and Instagram. Especially my Twitter all the time. I find out about deals, Funko for under retail, or just limited edition ones. I always post it. And I love helping out my subscribers. So definitely follow my Twitter, which is at DJDELZ. Z is in zebra. DJDELZ on Twitter. And there you go, the close-up HD look at Gearhead. Even though that's very offensive to call him Gearhead. It's like calling, what did he say? It's like calling a Asian person Oriental head or something. He said something stupid like that. This show is super funny, man. Some of my other Funko Pops from Rick and Morty I'll show you real quickly. There's my weaponized Rick. There's my Morty. There's my Mr. Meeseeks. And I have Snowball somewhere. I don't know where it is. I was just looking for it before hitting you with this look. And if you're looking for this, I think this will release on the 5th of this month. It is October, finally. Wild. Before you know it, Halloween will be here, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or whatever else you celebrate will be right here, man. Time is flying. 2018's almost out of here. 2019's on its way. Let me know in the comment box below some of your favorite Funko Pops of this year. What are some of the greatest Funko Pops to release this year? Your favorite pickups? And I definitely will be doing like a countdown of my favorite pickups of 2018 soon. I am looking for the Toys R Us Marvel Jeffrey the Giraffe Iron Man exclusive. I'm also looking for, there's something else I'm looking for. Oh, I'm looking for the metallic Thanos. If you have those, hit me up. I do have the Darth Vader Chase exclusive coming my way. I do already have the Ant-Man Chase coming my way. And I'm pretty sure I have the Masters of the Universe Stinkor still. I don't know 100% if that's locked in. So if you have that Funko Pop, hit me up. Also, I gotta do a review on this, the Groot. So definitely stay tuned. I will do this holiday Groot out of the box really soon. And if you're looking for all these Marvel Holiday Funko Pops, I will link down in the description box below, along with the Star Wars ones, along with the SpongeBob ones. All of those are available right now, and I will link them all in the description box. Guaranteed mint condition. So definitely check all of the Funko Pops that I have listed in the description box to help you all out for your convenience. There's the upcoming Austin Powers ones. There's the Married with Children ones. There's the Biggie ones. I did do a review on both of the Biggies. If you didn't see that yet, definitely check that out. And this is a must-have Funko Pop for this year. I guarantee you later on, if you pass on this, you're going to be highly disappointed that you passed on it. Pick them up now. All of that will be linked in the description box below for your convenience. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. Alright, bonus content. So I was in my garage and I found these stashed away. I bought these probably at least 2 years ago, I'm pretty sure. And I never opened them. They were at like one of them like calendar stores at the mall, but they were on sale for, I think they were on sale for like $1 or something. So let's have some fun. Check it out. Let's see this mystery mini Marvel right here. These are all the Funko Pops that you could get in here. I think that Thanos is pretty limited, I would say. Open it just like that, I guess. Let's see. Hopefully it's something rare. That would be fun. Oh, I think it's the Green Goblin. No, it's the Hulk. We got the Hulk right there. Pretty awesome, I must say. So we got the Hulk. 2 out of 24. That's the chances of getting this. Not bad. I think it's kind of cool. Now we got Guardians of the Galaxy right here. And we'll see which one we get. We got Gamora. These guys could make a cute couple together, right? It's weird seeing the Hulk so small, right? Let me give you just a close-up, detailed look. Hulk bobbles like crazy. I like that. Oops. Looks like she towers over the Hulk. There's a look at their backs. And there's a look at their other sides. Just a little bonus content. I've been wanting to unbox these for forever. I mean, they've been sitting and sitting for so long in the garage. I finally remembered to unbox these. Let me know which one you like better. Leave down in the comment box below. And check out my Patreon, patreon.com/DJ DELZ. DJ Delz, patreon.com/DJ Delz. I do a monthly giveaway plus a weekly podcast with Q&A. It's an hour podcast. We have 28 episodes already. So there's already 28 episodes that will be unlocked once you become a member. Even if you're a member for a month, you can download all the content and take advantage of it. It's an awesome show. Everyone seems to really love it, so definitely check it out. So happy he's back. Delete.
DJ Delz.
DJ Delz.
And your Benjamin. Prepare the battlefield. That's right. Delete. Delete. Delete.
DJ Delz.
Senor Benjamin, where's Vanguard 1?
He's up there watching more. He is always surveilling.
Oh, surveillance?
Yeah.
For security, right? Security purposes? Thank God. Thank God for him. I prayed for him when he was hurt. I prayed every night.
He was drinking too much last night.
I know. Oh, yeah? What were you drinking? Tequila?
I think he spiked his lemonade. Yes, DJ Delz. Absolutely wonderful. Yeah.
Senor Benjamin.
Ready to a battlefield massacre.